When running a business, you can't grow what you can't measure. So your measuring tool or your ruler there is really a system. We first started with Odoo. I'm seeing everything in a snapshot. I'll be able to make quick decisions just going into the system. Hi, I'm Joey Ramirez of Dance Bike Shop, and now we call it Dance. Most of the brands we carry are under this categories of cycling, power sports, and running. Our company was established in 1996 by my father from a mom and pop shop in Bacolod. We eventually grew into a nationwide company, around 95 employees, over like 300 accounts that we manage in the Philippines. And aside from distribution, we also do like retail stores. So we chose Odoo because of the versatilities. One program that has all the applications with it. And when we started as a mom and pop's business, so it was all Excel file. Then eventually we found Odoo. As I can remember, one of the main things that we had issues with is really tracking the inventory, from it coming into the warehouse, going to the customer. So step by step, we needed to know where the items were. When we order them, when will it arrive? So we needed reports for that. After that, when it's received, our costing. The sales team will sell, then we need to deliver. I can easily go into the program and see what's been happening to the stock. Basically, it's our inventory passbook. We first started with Odoo. They presented so many things that our company could use, but of course, we needed to go step by step. Most important was really the inventory management program, the sales program, accounting program. We were coming from a very bad database. The team at Odoo and their local partners helped us to fix all of these issues with our database and bring it to the system and teach us the processes. 3 words, it's very, very easy. If I weren't managing a large company, I'll be able to do everything myself. Basically, if you're used to Excel, it's a big Excel file, and yeah, it's easy to use. For me, it's really looking at our costs and our margins. What we see on a per product basis, per category, per segment basis. I'm seeing everything in a snapshot. I'll be able to make quick decisions just going into the system for brands that we have and like future investments also. But when running a business, you can't grow what you can't measure. So your measuring tool or your ruler there is really a system, right? So if you want your system to be robust as a ruler or simple as a ruler, Odoo is the perfect system for you, especially for those that wanting to start with a system. I believe this is a good system to start with.